8 Steps in Preparing for Success, Video 2, Step 1, Resources. On the Skills for Wales website, you'll find such an array of resources that's available to support planning, delivery and assessment of these new Level 3 qualifications. You'll find the resources on the individual web pages or under the Resource tab on the Skills for Wales website. Also on there are a range of prospectuses which will allow you to actively promote your qualifications and courses. On the Skills for Wales website, we have some fantastic adaptable delivery planners. Now, these are in an Excel spreadsheet format, so you can adapt them, you can amend them, you can add elements in, you can take out components that you don't think is relevant, and they are a certainly useful tool with some high level planning that certainly complements your schemes of work. You can print these off, you can share these with learners and employers so that they have an understanding of what your learners are going to be covering and when they should be expecting to cover each qualification or program component type. Also on the Skills for Wales website, under the individual web pages for each qualification, you will find the qualification handbook. Now this obviously is a fantastic useful tool to start off with, as it demonstrates everything that needs to be covered with regards to the delivery of the qualifications and can be utilised when applying your adaptable delivery planners or your schemes of work. Also on the website and on the individual web pages are the assessment packs for each individual qualification and the employer confirmation guide, which demonstrates what documented evidence learners need to produce. Our partners at Hodder Education produce an array of textbooks that's available to support delivery, and these are available on the Hodder Education website, or if you wish to get in touch with our contact at Hodder Education, that is Gemma Simpson, and you can get in touch with Gemma via the email on the screen should you wish to explore purchasing or looking at any sample textbooks. Hodder Education have also provided some mapping documents which demonstrate how their current suite of textbooks map in to the new qualifications. I'd like to thank you very much for taking the time to listen to this video. Hope you found it useful. Should you have any queries, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can contact us via the email address on the screen, which is skillsforwales.customer@cityandguilds.com. Thank you very much again.